Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Smitha. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get this look, which is perfect for any haldi, mehndi or sangeet event during a wedding, which is considered probably the most vibrant and most fun part of any wedding, where people are dancing, the bride is wearing floral ensembles and everything is so colorful. So I just wanted to stick with the theme. I hope you enjoy it, and if you're new to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe, and without further ado, let's get this started. As always, I'm starting with my brows. I'm using the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in medium brown. Using a very thin angled brush, I'm going to fill in the sparse areas first. And now with some concealer, I'm going to clean up the borders of my eyebrows so my brows look very clean. And then I'm going to bring the concealer down to my eyelids to even out the base before I apply any eyeshadows. Using some loose powder from Artistry, I'm going to set this base on my eyelids before it settles in those fine lines and starts creasing. For today's look, I will be creating a beautiful halo eye with a pop of glitter right in the center like sunrise. And the eyeshadow palette that I'll be using is the Boss palette from Hipdot. First, I'll be using Smile in the outer and inner corners using a large blending brush. I'm going to smoke this out and then connect the two corners through the crease. Next, with Awake, I will be repeating the previous step to intensify the corners as well as the crease. Now, to clearly define the shape of the lid, I'm taking Winning with a smaller blending brush, and I'm going to repeat the previous step of intensifying the color in the outer and inner corners and joining them through the crease. For the center blank space on my lid, I will be using Yassi, first applying it with my finger, and then I'm going to blend it out using a flat shader brush. You can see how beautiful that looks, almost like a sunset theme, and then we will add the glitter later on, so it almost looks like the beautiful fire from the sun just popping out of your eyelid. Using the NYX Photo Loving Primer, I'm going to prime my face, but before that I made sure to clean up all the fallout, although there wasn't much, but you always need to clean your face before you prime your face. For foundation, I'm going with the Lancome Ultra Wear Foundation in 430, which is bisque, and I'm using this because it's full coverage and I don't have to color correct because this hides my imperfections perfectly. I'm using the Hipdot Kabuki brush to apply this and spread this all over my face and neck. To cream contour, because again I want the contour to be really subtle, I'm using the Wet n Wild contour stick, and I'm going to repeat this. Anytime you want a very subtle contour just to give some shape to your face, go with a cream contour. If you want something really harsh, maybe for a wedding, go with a powder contour. I'm going to be using the same flat kabuki brush from Hipdot to blend this out with the foundation. Now with LA Girl Pro Conceal, I'm going to highlight the high planes of my face, including my cheekbones, my jawline, and my T-zone. I'm going to spread and blend this out using a damp beauty sponge, and then I'm going to take my Artistry loose powder. I'm going to bake this to set the concealer, and while it is baking, I will finish up my eye makeup. First, I'm going to be using Smile in the entire lash line. Using a pencil brush, I'm going to smoke this and soften my lash line. I'm going to take Awake and I'm going to intensify the color in the outer and inner corners. And for the center, I'm going to be using Yassi. And now for the most exciting part, for glitter, I'm going to be using the Beauty Creations glitter in Dream Girl. But before that, I'm going to be using their glitter primer on my lid so the glitter can stick onto it. Using my Jordana Easy Liner in black, I'm going to be tight lining my waterline. To get that smoked out sultry look, I'm going to be using black eyeshadow in the entire lower lash line, very close to the waterline, and a tiny bit in the outer corner of my lid. Using the JCat Baked Highlighter in Twilight, you guys know this is one of my favorites, I'm going to be highlighting under my brows as well as inner corners. To prep my lashes, I'm applying a coat of mascara. This is Big Shot Mascara from Maybelline. And for lashes, I'm going to be using Luxie Lash in Ain't No Wifey. To hide the lash band, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild eyeliner in black. I'm going to dust off all the excess loose powder that I used for baking the concealer, and then I'm going to set the entire face using the Clinique Beyond Perfecting powder in Lemon, which is honey. I'm going to bring back some warmth in my face using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. And for blush, I'm using Passionate from the Pure Cosmetics 4-in-1 Blush Book. Adding a subtle glow to the high planes of my face again using the JCat Baked Highlighter in Twilight. And for my lips, I'm going with the Huda Beauty Liquid Lipstick in Famous. To set and seal my face so the makeup stays in place, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild setting spray. To finish up this look, I'm wearing some floral jewelry that I made myself, and I'm wearing a blue bindi to go with my dupatta. And here is the final look. Let me know your thoughts on this look by commenting below, and as always, if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to hit the like button. If you're not following me on social media, make sure you do. There's an active giveaway right now on my Instagram account. So head on over to Instagram. I have a link in the description box right below this video. So make sure you're following me there and enter the giveaway. Good luck to all of you. And if you're new to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe. I love you all so much, and I'll see you soon with another exciting tutorial. Bye guys.